Hello, this is a video announcement for week 15. Now for week 15, you have one task, and that is to complete your argumentative Google Docs essay by this Friday, April 24th at 11:59 p.m. Now I do want to mention just a few reminders for you. Let me go back to our modules page. Okay. Now last week you submitted your annotated bibliography, and on that annotated bibliography you listed 3 sources that you plan on using for your argumentative Google Docs essay. Now, make sure if you had any errors in the publication information on that annotated bibliography that you revise that, because you're going to include a works cited page for your argumentative Google Docs essay, and you want to ensure that those corrections are made. Now remember, you have to find 2 more sources to add to that source list. So in total, you're going to have 5 sources that you are either going to quote or paraphrase from in your argumentative Google Docs essay. Now, if you need any refreshment on the directions on how to complete that assignment, please look at Module 21 and look at the Lesson A. Listen to that because I overview the actual essay, okay? Also, I wanted to remind you that you have 2 options structurally for this particular assignment, and I mentioned this in the video lesson that I have here. Now, you have A1 and A2 underneath Module 22. They overview the 2 structural options that you have for this assignment. Now, it is mandatory. You have to use either option 1 or option 2's templates. Remember, there's only a little bit of a difference between these. It really depends on where you put the oppositional viewpoint in your rebuttal of it. So make sure that you look back at all of the video lessons I provided for the argumentative essay and its structure. And if you have any questions, please contact me, email me, whatever you need to do to get those questions answered. Now, the presentation version of your argumentative essay is going to be coming up next week. So you may want to be thinking about how you're going to present that in a more visual form. But this week, you just need to focus in on that argumentative Google Docs essay, which again, if you use the templates, it's a very kind of glorified outline with subheadings: introduction, thesis, topic sentence, minor claim 1. Follow those and you're going to know that you have a fully developed essay. As always, if you have questions, ask them, and I wish y'all the best luck in completing this essay, and I look forward to reading them. Y'all have a wonderful week 15, and I hope everybody's staying well. Thank you.